76.
76.
76.
Argumenter quelque chose de.
Giving reasons to.
Giving reasons to.
Pourquoi n'es-tu pas venu?
Why didn't you come?
Why didn't you come?
J'étais malade.
I was ill.
I was ill.
Je ne suis pas venu parce que j'étais malade.
I didn't come because I was ill.
I didn't come because I was ill.
Pourquoi n'est-elle pas venue?
Why didn't she come?
Why didn't she come?
Elle était fatiguée.
She was tired.
She was tired.
Elle n'est pas venue parce qu'elle était fatiguée.
She didn't come because she was tired.
She didn't come because she was tired.
Pourquoi n'est-il pas venu?
Why didn't he come?
Why didn't he come?
Il n'avait pas envie.
He wasn't interested.
He wasn't interested.
Il n'est pas venu parce qu'il n'avait pas envie.
He didn't come because he wasn't interested.
He didn't come because he wasn't interested.
Pourquoi n'êtes-vous pas venu?
Why didn't you come?
Why didn't you come?
Notre voiture était en panne.
Our car is damaged.
Our car is damaged.
Nous ne sommes pas venus parce que notre voiture était en panne.
We didn't come because our car is damaged.
We didn't come because our car is damaged.
Pourquoi les gens ne sont-ils pas venus?
Why didn't the people come?
Why didn't the people come?
Ils ont manqué le train.
They missed the train.
They missed the train.
Ils ne sont pas venus parce qu'ils ont manqué le train.
They didn't come because they missed the train.
They didn't come because they missed the train.
Pourquoi n'es-tu pas venu?
Why didn't you come?
Why didn't you come?
Je ne le pouvais pas.
I was not allowed to.
I was not allowed to.
Je ne suis pas venu parce que je ne le pouvais pas.
I didn't come because I was not allowed to.
I didn't come because I was not allowed to.